Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make this very simple and easy turmeric body scrub that can take your skin game from 0 to 100 real quick. So keep watching. The very first ingredients we're going to be using to make this is shea butter. You can also use mango butter, carrot butter, or any other butter. Next, you'll be needing some carrier oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. You can use any other carrier oil. Now we're going to add the carrier oil into the shea butter. I'm adding the grapeseed oil into the shea butter. You can use whatever oil you want. Now we're going to give this a very good mix and make sure they are well combined. You're going to mix until you have a very fluffy and creamy consistency, which might take a while depending on how hard or soft your shea butter is. Now at this point, as you can see, we have a very creamy mixture, and now we can go on to add our other ingredients into this. The next ingredient you're going to be needing is some sugar. I am using white sugar, but you can use brown sugar also if that's what you have. So right now I am just adding the white sugar into our cream base. Next we're going to be adding some turmeric powder, because of course this is a turmeric body scrub. Now again, we're going to give this a good mix and ensure that everything is well combined. This will take a while, so you have to mix gently until you have a very nice feel scrub just like this. At this point, as you can see, our scrub is looking nice and yummy already. If at this point you feel the scrub is too harsh for you, you can add more oil or shea butter. As you can see, the scrub is looking really good, and it also feels really good on the skin. This scrub will help with hyperpigmentation. It will help with exfoliating the skin. Now I'm just going to pack my scrub into a jar. This scrub can last you for 2 to 3 weeks if it does not come in contact with water, because there is no preservative. Now at this point, let me show you how you can make use of this very beautiful scrub. Now you apply this on wet skin and you scrub and exfoliate your skin with it, and trust me, you will love the feel of your skin after using this. If you found this video helpful one way or the other, and you know you'll be trying out this scrub, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye.